Today we're at the Neumann booth at NAMM 2024. To get the whole community down here, especially in pro audio. We have our own building here. Usually we're all in our own caves just working away on music, so it's nice to be able to see everybody, all the people we work with throughout the year. Everybody's pretty much here.
The experience with this particular crowd has been nothing short of excellent. There were some really good questions. I felt engaged and I felt they were engaged.
To look around and see people's faces, maybe this is the first time that they've heard Immersive and they're just going, oh my God, what is this? This is so cool.
I've been doing this for a very long time, and I still learn something every time I hear somebody talk about this.
The Neumann monitors are incredible. These speakers have a sense of clarity while also being relaxed and really enjoyable. The translation is something that every time I've played something here, it just feels like what I created.
I love the Neumann monitors because of the overall balance. They have a very tight low end. They support the core of the melodic structure, the performer. There's no real ear fatigue. It's very smooth listen and just so easy in so many different environments to balance.
It's broad, it's wide, it's high, and the bottom is really, really tight.
After having been in these Neumann listening spaces, I had to call up and go, look, I gotta get some of those subs.
I think we finally gotten to the spot where it's for the masses. Like music fans, I think immersive audio is huge. I think it's a paradigm shift in creativity. I think it's an opportunity for us to grow and learn as we're getting to more how we hear in the world. And the better that we can find ways to share the human emotion, the more meaningful it becomes.
People are interested because I think it's going to become ubiquitous. And most people that hear it at our studio say they never want to go back to stereo.
We're at the cusp of the same kind of generational change that happened when we moved from mono to stereo. This is what music could sound like. We want to get this out into the world.
I think we're about to all embrace it, and it's about to be a part of our lives.
This immersive world's coming and it's going to be really exciting.